Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can reset the network settings on your iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, send your phone settings down. Go to Basic. And here you'll need to scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click here, pause. Next, tap on the Reset function and select Reset Network Settings. Now you will need to keep your phone's passcode. And as you can see now, you are prompted to reset your network settings. And in order to do that, you just need to click here, and the settings will be reset. And this will help you to update all the settings related to network, to VPN, to Wi-Fi, and so on. They will all be reset to factory settings again. This is the way you can reset on the network term on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.